First, let me briefly introduce this side project. It's a web application based on Java Spring Boot, and it's used to like a weather forecast system. You can type in some city ID and the city name, and you can directly get the weather forecast for the next day or the past days you want for the specified city. And I since the API I used only supports the cities in China, so I first get a list of the cities and province in China, and here are the city IDs of those cities. So after that, as I'm still working on the front end part of the side project, and it will take like several hours to finish. And but I've already finished the back end part. And I used some services. I applied MVC model to design this system, and I use Quartz scheduler to fetch the data from the APIs I used to get the data half an hour each time, and then store the data into the Redis database. Because it's a cache, so the users can access the data information, the weather information very quickly. And after I click on the running button here, and it will start to build the whole system with the Spring Boot. And you can see my logger system has some information here, and it's synchronizing the weather data now. Since each time I want to search for the weather data, it will first go to the Redis system database to search for that specified city. If it doesn't find such a target, it will go to fetch the API. Then it's synchronizing all the data now, and we can see from the Redis here, and you can see there are one piece of the data here, and it's already encoded, so it's some kind of mercy. And after that, I can go to the Chrome and type in something like, yeah, we can just type in some city ID here, and after that we will get something like this. Because I'm still working on the front end part, so it will appear something like this. After the whole thing is completed, it will list the city name and the weathers of that day here. That's it.